Hello, this is Alex with NC Hydro Seeding. Today you can see two pieces of equipment. We've got a skid steer and a Ventrac, and the Ventrac has an aerovator on it. Today we're going to be using that aerovator to prep a site for seeding. An aerovator punches cores or holes into soil and then shakes that soil to create a good place for seeds to establish. Much like a core aerator, which punches holes into soil to allow water to infiltrate the root zone and an area to those or for those roots to establish, an aerovator not only punches holes, but it shakes and breaks compacted soils. Now here you can see what we're looking at. We're trying to keep the grass that we've got while we eliminate that compacted clay that we're looking at. There you can see a small smudge where I tried to break it with my shoe and nothing happened. I got down to like a 1/4 inch. Here's the machine getting started and we're going to work. I'm accelerating the video a little bit because you don't want to watch me work. Here you can see those tines. They're doing a good job of breaking that stuff up and leveling it. You'll also see that we're keeping the turf in place that's already established. Alright, we've slowed the video down. We're back to normal speed. And at this point, this site is ready to be seeded. Here you can see it was before we aerated. It's a hard word to say. And here you can see that same site after aeration. And prior to aerating, we could only get our foot to dig down about a 1/4 inch. And right now we're at about 2 or 3 inches, just scraping it with our shoe. And we've still kept all that old grass in place. We've also added a few bags of Black Wonder 5000. Black Wonder is a product that we have to add organic matter to soils. And in this case, we've got a pretty strong clay base and need to add something to enable that clay to turn into a nice, healthy topsoil. And Black Wonder does that for us. Here you can see where we've added about 8 bags, and we probably need to add another 8 or 10 bags for the area that we've prepped.